Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Hearts of Iron 4 on your PC or laptop. In order to download and install the Heart of Iron 4 on your PC, so to access the following game, you have to install Steam on your device. For that case, type in steampower.com. It's going to take you to the official page. And while you're on this page, go ahead and press the install button from the top right hand side corner and follow the on-screen prompt in order to install the application. When you're done installing it, go ahead and create your account and log in into your account. When you're logged in, you will be taken to this sort of field where you have to go to your store from the top right hand side corner. When you're on the store page, here on the search box, go ahead and type in Hearts of Iron 4 and you should be able to locate the following game. When you locate the game from the suggested list, you have to go ahead and press on it and it's going to take you to the info page. Here, go ahead and press on add to cart and it's going to take you to the checkout procedure where you have to go ahead and mention or enter in your payment sources and all that, and you'll have successfully bought or installed the Heart of Iron 4 on your PC or laptop. So that's it for this video. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.